Like I say, I'm feeling very happy today that it's been a long journey. I started my preparation in 2018. I was preparing for UPSC, but luckily this time I got selected in APSC, so I'm very happy today. Everyone in my family, my in-laws, my parents, my husband, everyone. I was lucky enough that everyone supported me a lot. Everyone, there was positive vibes in my family to study, so I'll be grateful to everyone. I did not take coaching like foundation or anything. I prepared myself. I cleared prelims. After prelims result, then I took crash course, mains crash course for only 2 months for the mains preparation. So from SPM IS Academy, and I am very grateful to them. It helped me a lot, and rest maximum I did myself.
যিখিনি মানে মোৰ আশা আছিল ভৰসা আছিল মোৰ মিছেছৰ ওপৰত সেইখিনি সি মোক অলৰেডি দি দিছে আজি মই বহুত সুখী বহুত আনন্দ পাইছোঁ মই একচুৱেলি মানে যিমানখিনি মই খুজিছিলোঁ লাইফত বহুত কষ্ট কৰি